So late last year, HMD Global announced an upgrade to 2019's Nokia C1 and named it Nokia C1 Plus. It's one of the cheapest Nokia phones, mostly in the C series, and according to the description, it's one of the best at that cheap price point. So when they released it last month, I had to check it out. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video and a 1 week review of the Nokia C1 Plus. Hey guys, I'm Milan from Fuzitech and I'd like to welcome you to the channel if you are new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. As I said earlier, I'll be doing an unboxing of the Nokia C1 Plus and first time look and a 1 week review. So let's see what Nokia has in store for us this time. So when taking the phone out of the box, first of all you get the usual Nokia box. All Nokia boxes are this size and they look just the same exactly. So when taking the phone out of the box, first of all you get the 2500 milliamps battery, which is good because it's removable, so you can replace it. Then you get the phone itself. Yes, you get the phone itself. And at the back you get its own silicone case and some paperwork which come with each and every phone to get you started if you don't understand anything and whatever. You also get a micro USB cable, a 3.5mm earphones, and its charger head. It's funny that these flagship phones these days don't give out basic requirements like chargers, while entry-level smartphones like this have everything, including a case. Inserting the battery at the back is a simple process. Then as you can see, it's a dual SIM phone and you also get a slot for the micro SD card so as to expand your storage. On to the design of the phone. At the front, you get the camera with a front flash, which doesn't come with many phones. On one side, you have the volume rockers and a power button, and at the bottom, you have a micro USB port and two things that look like speakers, but they really aren't, since all sounds come from the front speaker, so I don't know what the purpose is. Anyways, on the other side, you have nothing. Now, the phone has a plastic back whose texture feels good, a Nokia branding, and a 5-megapixel back camera with a flash that doubles up as the torch. In general, the phone's feel, it seems great. It's not the best, but it's great. The phone comes with Android 10 Go edition, which saves up space in general. As you can see, apps like Google Go, Maps Go, Gallery Go, and Gmail Go, and others are in the phone. It has no bloatware since it's the basic version of stock Android, although it has Facebook Lite. Apart from that, it has no other bloatware, and that's really good, especially if you are a stock Android fanatic. So the phone, it obviously has large bezels, which aren't really an issue here because of its price, and its screen resolution is 480 by 960 pixels, which is just basic. Its 5.45-inch screen isn't that large, but it gets the job done, and that's what you need. The phone comes with 1GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, and out of that 16GB, 5.14GB is used up by the system, leaving you with about 11GB, which is justified by its throwaway price. Since it's Android 10, the phone has dark mode if you like it, and normally most people would prefer a dark theme, so you have that option. Yeah, I think it's the perfect definition of it ain't much, but it's honest work. The phone can't obviously play games like PUBG, COD Mobile, PES 2021, but it can handle these other basic games such as Mini Militia, Hill Climb Racing, and others quite well. Again, no gamer will pick this phone for gaming, as it's not even practical. Yeah, so the basic games it can handle them very well without any lag, but those heavy games, don't even try them with this phone because I don't think they will even fit with the minimal storage that you have. C1 Plus is a good phone and its price is justified. If you use your phone for basic stuff such as texting and calling, it's the best option if you ask me, since it's not that complicated. It's the cheapest smartphone from HMD Global currently, and it's truly an improvement from its predecessor, the Nokia C1. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button down below and share if you can to support me. Thanks for your time. I'm Milan from Fuzitech and have a nice day. Peace.